Welcome back to my YouTube studio. I want to assure you this is not just my driveway, and we have my assistant which holds the camera. It's a great tripod. Cost effective, efficient, power hungry, with a little too much horsepower for a normal tripod. Well, what we have here is the first wooter on receipt, and we'll get inside and see what the packing looks like. You can see the box had some shipping dings, but we'll look at the contents and determine if there's any issues. Comes with a fair amount of free bubble wrap, some free foam, and some boxes. In the bubble wrap, we've got the foam layouts that you can choose to insert under the wooter. A couple choices on thickness and dimensions to cut there. This is the sprayer assembly. Hose, some gaskets. Looks like a little Teflon tape to make sure your seals are good. We'll look at that in more detail. More free foam. I have both pumps, which I'll be doing installs, tests, sound, and pressure. There's some package contents and a bracket and a tailing hose that will be part of that install. That packaging survived nicely. Couple little corner dings, but nothing that would affect the contents or any of the function that I can see yet, but we'll confirm that. This is one of the fill and drain lines, clear, reinforced, garden hose type fittings. Good plastic grippies to tighten it conveniently. I think there'll be another one of these in the packaging. We'll see that in a second. That also looks like it survived. Transfer well enough. A little bit more free foam and bubble wrap. This is the battery. Nice hunk. Beefy. Bare, but functional. Looks like some chargers. Pretty simple stuff. Once again, the box appears to have had some experiences on its travels, but nothing that affected the contents. I'm probably doing more to it by opening it than anything else. We'll charge and test that. This is another reinforced hose for the other. One's fill, one's outlet. That's my Rivian telling me I have a door open. Again, these fittings look solid, chunky. It's not just some 1/8 inch little ring to hope your fingers are strong enough or you need a pipe wrench for. They're not very squishy with that wire reinforcement. This is not going to kink on you. This was the box that was under one of the flares, the Wooter, but it's holding a hose. How much can the hose have happened to it, except maybe one of those finger collars to tighten it? But despite the box's deformation, everything inside is fine. And now the main product we're all looking for. Overwrap, I'm sure lots of tracking to Daylight's fading, so I'm trying to keep it in good light. It's very blue, maybe not quite Rivian blue, but it is very blue. See, we joked, it's almost war for the batleth. Get that tape off of there. Look at the pump bracket. It has the other pump pre-installed. I'm not quite sure if I could stand. It feels like I could stand on this without much trouble, and I'm not petite. Get a better shot of the embossed logo on it. Light's kind of hard here, but we'll do a test fit in the frunk shortly. Wanted you to see the packaging, what's coming in the box with it, how it's packed, and what to expect when yours does arrive.